the wind is 130 degrees at 9 knots.
Clear takeoff, runway 75.
We had 402 taxi straight ahead, hold at Sierra 1, just to clear the apron behind you, please.
Taxi straight ahead to Sierra 1,
Etihad 81 Charlie, taxi to hold Sierra 1. Delta 59 behind Martin for the line up runway 27.
Line up 27 left behind British Airways, Delta 59.
United 905 taxi straight ahead, link 28, hold at November Bravo 1.
Straight ahead, link 28, and hold short November Bravo 1, United 905.
Singapore 305, taxi first left, link 28, hold at November Bravo 1.
First left, link 28, November Bravo, hold at November Bravo 1, Singapore.
Runway 27 left, the wind 120 degrees at 10 knots.
Clear takeoff, 27 left, United 905.
Qatari 120, hold at Sierra 1, good morning.
Hold at Sierra 1, Qatari 120, good morning.
The wind is 130 degrees at 10. American 87, contact London on 119 and decimal
19780, American 87.
Speed with 69, good morning, hold at November Bravo. Hold at Alpha Whiskey 2.
Hold Alpha Whiskey 2, come on to the 81, hello.
Qatari 120, let's take off runway 27 left, the wind is 180 degrees at 9 knots.
Yeah, but they got runway 27 left, Qatari 120.
Speed with 69 by departing Air Lingus 320 on your left hand side, line up 27 left behind.
Departing Air Lingus, line from right behind, speed 65. gracias, adiós.
Good. United 879, first left, link 28, hold at November Bravo 1, please.
Left turn, link 28, hold November, Bravo 1, United 879. For 852, good morning.
Delta 002, first take off runway 27 left, 120 degrees. Shamrock 1 Lima Kilo, contact London on 134, decimal 125.
34, 125, Shamrock 1, leaving. Thanks.
National wind 170 degrees, 8 knots.
Check, you want to take up runway 27 left 30, 110.